Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set a profile photo on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on your on these three lines here. Now click on your profile, and here you will find this set profile photo. Click on it, and now you just choose any photo from your gallery or video, and that's it for today. That's how to set a profile photo on your account. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.